Question 15 of the UTME 2018 Physics Pass question, that's your Jamb 2018 exam. It says, which of the following obeys Ohm's law? Okay, the first option say all metals. Option B says diode only, diode or semiconductors, okay? These are also semiconductors, diode are semiconductors, okay? And C says all electrolytes, and D says what? Glass, okay? Diodes don't follow Ohm's law. And first of all, what is Ohm's law? You know, Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor is what? Is directly proportional to the voltage across what? The conductor. That is, V is what? Directly proportional to what? I. That's the current, okay? And you know, this particular relationship is a linear what? Relationship, okay? Because it's what? Directly proportional, it's linear. It's not an inverse relationship, okay? So any of these particular materials must what? Follow Ohm's law by what? V is what? Directly proportional to what? The current. So for semiconductors, it doesn't follow Ohm's law. Electrolytes, it doesn't follow Ohm's law. And for glass is silica, it doesn't conduct electricity, so it doesn't follow Ohm's law. But our right option here is what? Option A, which is what? All metals, all right? Which follows what? Ohm's law, that what? V is directly proportional to what? Your current. So our right option here is option A.